Hey everyone, this is an unboxing or uncasing of the new 2016 324E model by Taylor Guitars. So this is the hardshell case itself. It comes with the hardshell case. It's called a Taylor Deluxe hardshell case. So it's really sturdy. When you open the case, you'll find the guitar in all its glory. Looks really nice. Starting with the insulation, you have paddings right over here for the neck, and on the sides to keep the guitar in place. Next would be the front of the guitar. You have Indian rosewood on the headstock with Taylor logo, ebony fingerboard with diamond inlays. It changed from dotted inlays from previous models. It has mahogany top with shaded edge burst. The previous model, you have an option to purchase a non-shaded edge burst and a shaded edge burst for 2016. So far, I've only seen shaded edge burst. Looks really nice. I believe, in my opinion, the shaded edge burst looks a lot nicer than the non-shaded edge burst. And for the bridge, you have ebony bridge. Right behind the saddle is the expression system 2 for the electronics. And turning the guitar over, you have Tasmanian Blackwood for the back and for the sides. The previous model had African sapelli for the back and the sides. For 2016, they replaced it with Tasmanian Blackwood. For the neck, you have mahogany right here and silver tuners that has Taylor logo on them. Looks amazing. It comes with a lot of paperwork, mostly guitar maintenance paperwork. So right here we have Taylor guitar string guide, welcome pamphlet, so when you want to register your guitar. You have symptoms of a dry guitar, the Taylor expression system 2, using a guitar humidifier, symptoms of a wet guitar, and changing steel strings. I forgot to mention that the strings that it comes with, it says right here that it's equipped with Elixir HD Light. Not sure if you can read that. It has Elixir strings on it. So far, out of the case, it feels great to play with. The neck feels great. The actions are great. And later on, I will show you how it sounds like through the expression system 2 and through the sound hole itself.